I'm Mrs. Jambrin. I teach 7th grade STEAM. In 7th grade STEAM, students are really going to focus on the engineering design process that you can see here. They're learning to ask questions, do research, imagine possible solutions, plan, create, test, and improve on their designs. So we do things such as rockets and catapults, and we're really just exploring a lot of hands-on challenges and activities in order to practice this, as well as we focus on 21st century skills like creativity, critical thinking, collaboration, and communication. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Thanks.
Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. We fought for these ideals, we shouldn't settle for less. These are wise words, enterprising men hold them. Don't act surprised, you guys, cause
Hi everybody, I am Debbie Moore. I am teaching your child math in the junior high school. Welcome to our virtual open house. I'd like to show you around my classroom and show you the new furniture that we were able to get this year. You'll notice that it is socially distanced as much as possible. On the back wall of my classroom, you'll notice that every student has access to their homework assignments all week long. That's also listed in their Google Classroom. I appreciate all of your support this year with everything that we have to be doing differently. And I'd like to remind you that if your child happens to be at home, all of the information that they need is on Google Classroom. They can attend class live via Zoom sessions, or if they miss the live session, they're always recorded and posted in Google Classroom as well. Because as you see on the board, sometimes hearing a lesson and taking the notes yourself is a lot better than trying to teach yourself on your own. So again, thank you for all the support this year, and I'm looking forward to having a great year. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Miss Blair. Welcome to 7th grade math. Don't forget to sanitize.
Right here, it shines in the sun. It's not exaggerating anything about it. It's just saying she has red hair. It shines in the sun. They call her red. That's factual. It's literal. It's not a hyperbole. Partner, will you do number 2?
It rains so hard that the fish can swim direct from New York to California. That's hyperbole.
Very good. They cannot literally swim from New York to California. That is a hyperbole. It's an exaggeration for a fact. Number 3, Colton.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Andrews, and this is one of our 7th grade science classes. Right now we are studying infectious diseases, which is perfect for what we are currently living in. We did a simulation of an outbreak of a disease the other day, and today we're going to be graphing and talking about the data as we analyze it and make a claim, evidence, and reasoning statement about what our findings are. We will do those throughout the year, and as you can see, they are very excited to get started.